So let's talk about something that I've been planning on doing for, it seems to be 2 years, probably at least 2 years now. But this is a Cox Hose Reel, and this is a Mosmatic swivel. Now, the Cox Hose Reels that we sell are a lot different than what you would normally buy, say, on Amazon. It's funny because when I started selling, when I found Cox Hose Reels and begged them to let me sell online, they didn't have an online distributor other than maybe like some obscure like supply house or something like that. And now they're everywhere. And so I think a lot of you end up buying the wrong hose reel, the wrong finish, the wrong swivel, the wrong setup. And so we have these in store, and I stock them in 3 custom colors. This one is the wrinkle black, which matches my new shelving and all that stuff. But the swivel that we spec out is a stainless swivel. It's a nice swivel. But I've been wondering this. Jamie from Mosmatic talked me into this several years ago. But I've been wondering, the much smaller, more compact, higher quality swivel, is it worth the $100 to swap? Anytime anybody has a swivel that needs to be replaced, I think generally we suggest, hey, just do the Mosmatic swivel. But I haven't actually put one on my own hose reel. Now, this sucker's $99. The hose reel is like $300. So we're going to take a $50 swivel off and put a $100 swivel on. But let's put it on, see how it goes. We do have these in stock. We've been stocking these for a long time because we do have lots of people buy them and replace their Cox OEM swivel, especially the originals that have the brass swivel. But all hose reels that you buy from us, whether it's gray, blue, or black, have the Cox stainless swivel, and that's another differentiator over what you see out there. The brass one, I just don't think it looks very good. The performance is pretty similar, but the stainless looks better. And so we're going to make it look even better by putting this Mosmatic on. So let's put it on. All right, so you would take your jumper hose off. Most people aren't going to have a dual, but you take your jumper hose, and then we just need to get it off the reel. It should be a pretty simple swap, right? And get me a towel. I have these fancy Iriga adjustables. Should have done this months ago. Something's been sitting on here for...
I saw it the other day.
I've had it sitting here for a while.
So there's that. There's a side-by-side. It's a nice looking piece.
Yeah, it's a little more compact.
Yeah.
And polished.
So we're going to redo this.
It's just it's only $100. It would feel worse, if you were like adding it to the tab of this already expensive setup. But when you just kind of do a little modification, it's like your car, it's like,
upgrade.
Yeah, just let me buy some spacers, and it's only $300. But if you bought the whole package, it all adds up quickly. At least that's the way I look at it.
I mean, it does. It looks nicer.
Yeah.
So there's that.
Yeah, and then this, Mosmatic makes best swivels in the world, so I'm interested to see, does it make my hose reel feel a little different? It's a little smoother. Just like normal modifications, now I'll have a leak on the swivel. It didn't leave well enough alone.
Better not.
Michelle's like, you always make everything worse. I said, well, sometimes.
No confidence.
Sometimes. That sure does look good.
Yep.
Love me
Well, if eventually the O-rings in this will wear out,
Yeah.
and instead of replacing the O-rings, just buy this.
Yeah, I mean, that's what we do. I mean,
Yeah.
we've been selling these for years now. And Jamie from Mosmatic said, "Oh, you need to get our swivel." I said, "Yeah, let's do it." And I've never put one on. It's because I haven't had a hose reel long enough to need to do anything. Yeah, I keep moving.
So you're the guy that sells the car before it needs an oil change.
Yeah, before I need new tires.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's a pretty nice adjustable wrench there, man.
It is very nice.
Yeah, Iriga. So we have the Iriga basic package in the store.
Iriga.
Yeah, made in Italy. Or are those Spain?
Does it say on here? Made in Spain.
Yeah, Spain.
Okay, now we got to re-ramp our hose here. A lot of people tend to just wrap right over what was left.
Oh, that's a
Never
bad
do that.
move, yeah.
I always take it off first.
Bad move. You can't get 100% guaranteed no leaks.
That's right.
So if you do this, make sure you wrap it clockwise. You want to wrap it in the same direction it's going to
Yeah, so if it's
tighten.
going to spin in this way,
Yeah.
that's how you want it to wrap. So it pulls the tape tighter, not spins it back off again.
About 5 wraps. A little bit of,
And I like to double up, especially for the high pressure stuff. Don't need much, just a little bit. Leading edge.
yeah. I like these kind of modifications. Takes 15 minutes and
Instant gratification.
Yeah.
Gratification.
yeah. It also makes me feel good when we stay in a place for long enough to start to do these things. That's been my problem, you know. I've been running from house to house and never get to do like the little,
Subtle.
yeah, the little subtle
tweaks,
modifications and details. Nothing's ever done. Well, since I'm going to live here for the foreseeable future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. So when you're doing this, I would recommend using a backup wrench so you're not torquing on the O-rings. Taking the O-ring off doesn't matter as much, but best to back up like I'm doing here. Okay. That's good.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. See if I can feel a difference here. Oh, yeah. I think I can tell a difference.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Man, that's smooth. Let me pull some more out. Yeah, that is definitely a difference. Holy cow. I thought I was wasting my time here. Wasting my time and money. No way. Yeah, I should have tried wrapping before, but I feel like there's less resistance, a little smoother. Oops. Yeah. It's pretty sweet looking. Yeah.
Definitely looks like an upgrade.
That's a wrap. I'll put a link in the description if you have a Cox Hose Reel and you want to modify it. don't know. I don't know if it's worth you doing it right from the get-go, but you know, long term, if you were gonna do any modification to the current swivel and changing on O-rings and stuff, if you have hard water that kind of beats it up. Yeah, I mean, I'm inclined to say, I mean, maybe buy it when you get the new reel. It does feel a little smoother, a little less drag and resistance. It certainly looks prettier. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's all about the details.